Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 126 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Id, hamza is a very strong sound. For kasra, give e sound and attach it with dal, and dal will get rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. Wa id, the sound should flow very well. Qaf is a heavy letter, and here it is on the topmost level of the frame. Qa, 2 counts long. La, ib, for kasra give very sharp sound, and for hamza give a very sharp sound, and for kasra give e sound. Don't drop e sound because you are attaching it with ba. Don't ever drop it. E, say e first and then ba, pronounce ba. Ib, raw, 2 counts long, and raw is heavy too. Don't say rahima, no. He, 2 counts long. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Rob, for fatha, for raw, you are making it heavy. Why? Because whenever there is fatha or dhamma on raw, you are making raw heavy, and heavy sound of raw is raw. It cannot be ra. Ra is light. Raw is heavy. Raw, bij. For kasra, give e sound and attach this ba with jim, b, and saying b and then jim. Bij, rob, bij, al, and give qalqala on jim, and for ain, engage throat very well. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach it with lam, and lam will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The sound should flow very on a medium mode. Bij, al, ha, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Makhraj of dal is touching tip of your tongue to the frontal edge of your frontal 2 teeth. Hada, ba, short. La, short. Then give tawassut on tanween. Baladan, this is izhar, and izhar, the sifa of izhariya is tawassut. Baladan, hamza is a very strong, sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws, and it is 2 counts long sound. Me, for kasra, give e sound. Now, this is idgham with gunna. Now, circle your lips. For wow. For fatha, open your jaws and attach it with ra, and ra is with sakoon. Ra will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Look how ra will get a medium flow of sound. Look, I'm making it heavy too. Why? Because ra is with sakoon, and before ra we found what? The fatha before it. So whenever there is fatha or dhamma before ra with sakoon, you will make ra heavy, and this heavy sound is ru. Give tawassut and make it heavy. Zuqa. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach it with qaf. Qaf will get qalqala. Zuqa. For dhamma, make sure you circle your lips very well, if you want to see your lips with your eyes, you will be able to see when you are creating dhamma. Zuqa. Zuqa. Ha is for hamza, give very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with ha. Ha will get rikhawa, and rikhawa is a flow of sound. It should flow very well. La, short. Who, 2 counts long sound. Me, for kasra, give E sound. Nath, for fatha, open your jaws and attach it with tha. Tha will get rukhawa. The sound should flow very well. Me, nath. Can you hear my sound? Me, nath. For fatha, open your jaws. And the sound is a very short one. Now, where is Rakhawa? When you will attach noon with tha, this is the point where you will create Rakhawa. The sound should flow. For fatha, fatha is a very short sound here. Minas, tha, ma, short, or ra. It is 2 counts long and ra is heavy too. And heavy sound of ra is raw. It cannot be ra. Tamara, no. Tamara, rati. T is short. Man, for fatha, open your jaws and give tawassut on noon. Whenever you find lin umar, letters of lin umar, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra, these, if they are with sukoon, they will get tawassut, and tawassut, the medium flow of sound. Man, again, look how sharp this hamza is. For fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Ma, short. Na, mana, ma. Okay, can I explain this hamza and alif with you? Hamza is created from the bottom of the last part of your throat, but makhraj of alif is jawf. So these are two very different letters and shouldn't be mixed up. This is the sound of hamza, and this last part is alif. Can you feel the difference? Ma, short. Na, mana, min. For kasra, give E sound. Give the wasat on noon, min, hum. This is ikhfa shafawi. So you are keeping the sound in your nose too. Sorry. Be, give E sound and then attach it with lam. And lafz jalala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name here is light because before lafz jalala you found kasra under ba. Whenever there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be light. And how to say it, the sound light? Billah, la. This is the light letter, light lam. Billahi, bi. First say E and then attach with lam. Billahi. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it with lam, and lam will get the wasut. Yow. Yeah, and this is lean, wow sakina or ya sak. There are two rupelin, ya lean and wow lean. Whenever there is fatha before ya sakina, there's fatha before waw sakina. These are the lean letters, and lean letters has to be said very, very softly. And for fatha, open your jaws, give a nice time, and attach with waw. Yow, yow. Look, and can you hear how soft this ya is? Yes, this ya is a very soft letter. Yaw, mil. Again, for kasra, give E sound and attach it with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Mil. Hamza is a very sharp sound, and for fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long because it is attached with alif, and alif is making it long. The sound should be very, very clear. Khi, khi. Kha is heavy. For kasra, give E sound and attach with ra because we are giving sukoon because of waqf. Khid, give rakhawa on ra. Ra will be light here because you give sukoon at the top and there is kasra before it. Whenever there is kasra before ra sakina, you will make ra light. Khid. وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ خِرْ, and give the wasat on ra because ra is with sukoon here. because of the waqf. Qala, qa, 2 counts long, and this is heavy, and it is at the heaviest level. Qala, la is short. For waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa man, this is ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of noon and going towards the makhraj of kaf. Waman, as if you are about to say ink. This is the way how to create the ikhfa when there is kaf coming up. Waman, waman ka short, fa short, ra kaf is light letter, fa is short, bring hums, very nice hums on fa, ka fa. Ra is heavy here because there is fatha. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra, you will make ra heavy, and heavy sound is, it sounds like a raw material. Yes, ka fa ra, fa u mati, fa fa u, fa, give hums on fa, u, give very sharp sound of dhamma for hamza, and for dhamma circle your lips. Fa u mati, attach me with ta. Ta is a very sharp sound here. Mati, ti for kasra, give e sound, and for ain, make sure you engage your throat. Ru for dhamma, circle your lips. Hu, 2 counts long. Fa u mati, 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Li, 2 counts long. 2 counts long. Qali, sorry, it is covered. Qalilan, this is ikhfa, light ikhfa. Thumma for dhamma, circle your lips. To pronounce tha, you have to put your tip of your tongue under the edge of your frontal two teeth. Thum, and create gunna on meme. There are 2 huruf gunna in Quran, meme and noon. Whenever they are with tashdid, you have to create a longer period of gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Thumma for fatha, this is short, and open your jaws. Al, a, very sharp sound of hamza, and for fatha, open your jaws and give istitala on dad. There is rakhawa, and dad is heavy. Al, this is the sound which is called istitala. This is a major sifa of dad. Al, ta is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it with ra. Ra is heavy too. For dhamma, circle your lips. So ra will be heavy when it will be attached with ta, and ra will be heavy when there you will create gunna, dhamma on it. So both ra's should be very much clear. 4 counts long. E, hamza is a sharp sound. For fatha kasra, give e sound. La, 2 counts long. Ila, a, and from your throat should throat should be engaged very well. For fatha, open your jaws. A, and the sound is very short. The, 2 counts long, and engage your tongue to the edge or tip of your tongue should be and engage with your edge of upper teeth. The, 2 counts long. Din for kasra, make sure you give e sound and attach it with noon, and give gunna on noon. Dinar, na will be light and ra will be heavy. Don't make na heavy because of ra. It cannot be nor. It is nar. This is mad arid li sukun. Wow is short for circular lips. For wow, bi sa for kasra, give e very sharp, create e sound and attach with hamza, and whenever any letters is attached with hamza, it gets a very strong stop because hamza is a very sharp letter. Bi sel, For fatha, open your jaws, give whistle in seen, attached with lam with tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Selma, ma, short. Sleep. Swad is heavy. You are making mad arid للسكون over here. The C, the 2 counts long will be converted into 4 counts long sound, and raw will be light here because you found ya, letter ya before raw sakina. Because raw, why raw is sakin? Because you are giving buff here. Now raw dhamma will be changed into raw sakun, and raw whenever you find ya before ra sakun, you will make raw light always. Masir. The light sound is r, and give the wasut on raw too because it is with sakun. Give rahawa, give the wasut on raw because raw is with سكون over here. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Let me say this ayah for you. وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا وارزق أهله من الثمرات من آمن منهم بالله واليوم الآخر قال ومن كفر فأمتعه قليلا ثم أضطره إلى عذاب النار وبئس المصير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.